Have you ever wondered if the rules for gun ownership are the same no matter where you are in the United States? It can certainly feel like gun laws are a complex patchwork, with different regulations applying in different places. The direct answer is yes, states absolutely can have stricter gun laws than the federal government. While federal laws set a national baseline for gun regulations, individual states have the authority to implement additional, more restrictive measures. This ability stems from the fundamental principle of federalism in the United States, along with the 10th Amendment to the Constitution. Federal gun laws establish a minimum standard that applies across the entire country. However, states retain the power to create laws that go beyond this federal minimum, as long as they do not directly contradict or weaken federal statutes. Think of it like a federal floor, not a ceiling. States can build higher, adding more protective or restrictive layers as they deem appropriate for their communities and circumstances. For individuals, this means that you must always comply with both federal law and the specific laws of the state where you resided or where you are possessing a firearm. This could include state-specific requirements for obtaining permits, waiting periods for purchases, types of firearms that are permissible, or rules regarding open versus concealed carry. To find out the precise laws that apply to you, it is crucial to consult your state's Attorney General's office, local law enforcement agencies, or a qualified legal professional specializing in firearms law. It is also worth noting the concept of federal preemption in this area. While states can generally pass stricter laws, federal law can sometimes preempt or override state laws if there is a direct conflict. However, for gun laws, this typically only occurs if a state law attempts to lessen federal restrictions, not if it makes them more stringent. An important federal framework is the National Instant Criminal Background Check System, known as NICs, which ensures background checks are performed by licensed dealers nationwide. But states can and often do add their own layers to this system. Ultimately, understanding your state's specific firearms laws is not just a good idea. It is essential for responsible gun ownership and to avoid potential legal issues. Because federal law provides a foundation, but state laws fill in the crucial details, your actions and rights as a gun owner are profoundly shaped by the regulations in your specific state.